Hi everyone, Emily Allison here, and this is Emily Everything. Thank you for tuning in today, and I am a certified Kundalini Yoga instructor, and in this video I'm going to teach you a meditation for prosperity 2. There is a meditation for prosperity 1, which is in another video that I have already recorded, so feel free to have a look for that one. And while you're at it, please like and subscribe to this channel. I would love your support and encouragement, and I love to hear from you. So please feel free to send me comments and feedback, and we can have a chat. So before we start any Kundalini Yoga exercise, we tune in to the chant Ong Namo, Guru Dev Namo. We do that 3 times, and then we will begin the exercise. So let's take a deep breath, rub your hands together. Exhale. Place your hands at your heart, drop your shoulders, inhale, and repeat it with me. Follow along. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. And relax the hands, relax the shoulders, breathe naturally. So the mantra Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo, the translation is I bow to or call on the infinite power of the universe. I call on the teacher within. So this mantra is one that precedes all Kundalini Yoga practice, and it tunes into the golden chain of all the gurus that came before us, and is also for protection. Just a little note on that chant. So the meditation for prosperity 2 is sitting in easy pose with your legs crossed like this. Keep your spine nice and straight. Sit up, drop your shoulders. And there is a light Jalandhar band, and we've spoken about this in a couple of the other videos. And what that is, it's Jalandhar band, which is a squeezing. It's a body lock in the lower region. It's a squeezing of the muscles of the anus, sex organs, and the navel. So if you just want to take an inhale and practice that just for a moment, inhale. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And exhale. So that is going to be what we'll be doing in the background. So just be mindful of that. It does take some practice over time. You'll get it. So the actual meditation itself is a focus. The eye position is to focus at the tip of the nose through eyes 9/10 closed. So just little tiny little slits where you can still see a little bit, and you're focusing on the tip of your nose while you're staring through almost closed eyes. The mudra or hand position is the elbows are by the sides and the forearms are angled up and outward with the fingers. And the fingers, they're sort of at the level of the throat, if you can see what I'm doing here. And the exercise begins with the palms facing down. So they're going to be together like this, but facing like that, where the skin is touching. We want the actual mound of flesh to be touching each other. So now alternately, you're going to hit the sides of your hands like this, and then like this, and like this. So the flesh touches the flesh, okay? And then the mantra or chant that we'll be doing is Har, H-A-R, but you're kind of rolling the R. And what that does is you're touching different meridian points in the roof of the mouth that are connected to all the other pressure points and meridians in your body. So the pressure points are in your mouth, the meridians are all throughout your body, it's all connected. And when you say Har, it's touching different points. So we start like this, Har, 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 Har. It's not as easy as you think. Har, Har, Har. And we do that for 3 minutes, and you can work your way up to 11 minutes. on your own, or we can do it together if you just keep repeating the video. Okay, so chant continuously from the navel using the tip of the tongue. And Yogi Bhajan said about the timing, this meditation can be done for up to 11 minutes. It is so powerful in bringing prosperity that more than 11 minutes would be greedy. So, let's get ready to begin. And I will time it for us, so we just keep going together, and then when we're finished, we will take a nice deep breath to end. Okay, so in the position, drop your shoulders, spine nice and straight. Think about that Jalandhar Bandh in the background there as you're going, and you're going to go har through the navel, okay? So arms at your sides, flesh touching, and then the thumbs underneath. You're going to, when your hands go together like this, the thumbs are going to cross with the right thumb underneath the left, if that helps you at all. Okay, so inhale and begin. Har, 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 har. Inhale. Exhale. Release your hands. Roll your shoulders. Breathe naturally. And just sit with your experience for a moment. Take a moment for yourself. Keep breathing. And as you return to center, let me read the little comments to you about meditation for prosperity too. This meditation stimulates the mind the moon center, and Jupiter. When Jupiter and the moon come together, there is no way in the world you will not create wealth. And the moon is on the bottom of the palms. So right here is the moon mounds, and the Jupiter finger is this one here. So you're hitting Jupiter's points here, and the moon points are here. So that's what the meditation is all about. And now you know how to do it. Meditation for prosperity number 2. And when we finish every Kundalini Yoga exercise or series or set, we finish with a long chant of Sat Nam. So let's close out the session together. Rub your hands together. Place them at the heart, drop your shoulders, inhale, and let's do it. Sat Nam. Sat Nam, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. And let me just tell you about Sat Nam is the seed mantra. It is the most widely used in the practice of Kundalini Yoga. Sat means the truth. It also means the reality of one's existence. Nam means to call upon, name, or identify with. So Sat Nam means truth is my identity, and I call upon the eternal truth that resides in all of us. Chanting this mantra awakens the soul, and more simply means really, and it is pronounced to rhyme with but mom. So now you know what Sat Nam is all about. Thank you again for joining me today. And before I go, let me just introduce you to these wonderful tank tops with Sat Nam that I have on my little store online. So I'll put the links in the description box below. I do lots of different yoga wear if you're interested in that kind of thing. It really does help to support me on my channel. And I would also love it if you would like and subscribe and ring that little bell so you can be notified when there are more videos available for you. Once again, I'm Emily Allison. Thank you so much for joining me today on Emily Everything, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao for now.